Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Maggie. If you guys are new, welcome or welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag, you know, very old school, but I recently did one of these and it was like so much fun. And I still feel like a lot of people, you know, do enjoy watching these types of videos, older Gen Zs maybe just like me. So this is the bag I'm going to be sharing with you all today. It's basically just a monogram MISBHV shoulder bag. I have the cutest little bag charm on it. Need to introduce her. It's basically from Taobao and it's a Hello Kitty. She's wearing a big old gray sweater, chunky sweater, cutest little hat, Chanel hat with a little Chanel bag. She's so luxe and adorable, and she is living currently on my pink MISBHV bag, which I love. Like, look at how adorable, and I feel like they match perfectly. Okay, so I didn't want to turn this video into like a full-on bag review, but you know, just wanted to mention that MISBHV monogram bags are one of my favorites because they're so like thick in its width, so it actually fits a lot. Like, you can fit your phone, your wallet, keys. So those I'm just not gonna show because obviously I carry those with me, phone, wallet, keys. Most of the time phone's in my hand. So I just wanted to share with you all the rest of the fun stuff that I carry in my bag. And again, my bags, like, I like to change them up depending on my outfit. I'm not like a, you know, change my bag every single day. Like, I kind of have phases, you know what I mean? I'm pretty sure all the girlies do as well. So yeah, these are just kind of the items that I switch in between bags, and obviously those are on rotation as well. I usually get mine off of Essence during their sales. Like, these go on sale. So a little pro tip, are we surprised? Like, are we surprised? I feel like the girlies who get it. This is the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm in Pink Sugar. I mean, I love this. Like, I only have this particular scent because, as you can see, I'm a pink lover and this is the only packaging that I like. But coincidentally, I am just as obsessed with the scent, the flavor, as I am with the packaging. It is the most gorgeous vanilla cake scent ever. And I feel like it has the most beautiful tint on your lips as well. It leaves like a really nice soft pink color. Love me a hydrating tinted lip balm. And you already know that during the next Sephora sale, I'll be stocking up on some more of these because I really like it. I think the consistency is great. It's very light, slippery, perfect for daytime. Obviously at night, I prefer something a little bit thicker. I use the Laneige lip sleeping balm at night, but during the day, I think this just really does the job for me. The next thing that I have would be my Canon G7X, which I'm currently filming on right now. Really, really love this camera. It's great for vlogging. It's great for, you know, doing long form content, like sitting down, talking to a camera. It's also really, really amazing for digital cam pictures. Like, every time me and my girlies go out for dinner, which we went out for dinner last night, we're going out for dinner again tonight, I always whip out my Canon G7X and we just take a bunch of pictures because it looks really, really great, especially if you're in like dark settings. I think the flash is fantastic. It's phenomenal compared to an iPhone. Although sometimes, you know, iPhone flash pictures are still good. I just think the Canon G7X, something about it hits different. I also love a good old CCD, like very classic point and shoot camera. But sometimes, you know, Canon G7X, it's so much more HD. Canon G7X is the way to go. My cousin gave hers to me, so I didn't have to go through the hassle of actually buying it, which I do know that it is a little bit more difficult to buy nowadays. Next item is a powder. I have a couple, you know, I love a good 3CE like compact powder. This one is great as well. This is from Jiaose or Joycey. That's what it looks like. It's called the 双色多用粉饼 in the shade 奶雾粉. Looks like this, you know, a little compact, and you just kind of do your thing with it. And this is what it looks like inside. Kind of like a milky white and then a pink. So I think it's great. It's better than just like a white powder. The pink really does add a nice touch to your complexion, which I think is great. You know, the little powder puff that is within this product is great as well. The packaging, so gorgeous. It's very compact. I have dry skin, but we're approaching spring, we're approaching summer, so it's great to always just carry a little powder compact with you. Also acts as a mirror 2-in-1, so you know, you're killing two birds with one stone here. So really like this powder. I think I heard a lot of great reviews from influencers in China, so I just picked it up and I really, really like it myself as well. Next item is a perfume. This is from the 7 Virtues. Like, literally our bag is so big that you can carry a perfume in it. This is actually a PR, which 7 Virtues is sold in Sephora, which I think is really, really cool. So this is in the flavor, the scent, Vanilla Woods. It's a nice, warm, spicy, musky, sweet vanilla scent, warm winter scent. And I'm so grateful to be on the PR list from 7 Virtues. So that is that product. And then of course I have to carry a hand cream with me. This is the one that I'm carrying right now. This is the Innisfree Daylight Rose Tea Jeju Blending Tea Hand Cream. Basically just smells like roses. It's a very light rose scent and also a very light consistency as well for the actual product. But it gets the job done, you know. I feel like throughout the past couple of years, I've obviously gotten way more in the habit of just washing my hands literally after touching anything. Oh, I forgot to mention, I also carry hand sanitizer. So sometimes I like to do a little hand sanitizer. After that, your hands are dry, so you just top it up with some hand cream and it's great. So I love it. I love a light hand cream. I love a hand cream that smells yummy as well. So my hand cream. Last but not least, a couple of lip glosses. They're my favorites from NARS. I feel like you've definitely heard me talking about these because this is definitely one of my favorite, you know, lip glosses from Sephora, from Western brands, because recently I've definitely gotten more into East Asian lip products as well, especially Chinese lip products. Or Chinese brands, but NARS has my heart in terms of lip glosses from Sephora. So these are the NARS, these ones, the ones with the rose gold packaging. I have talked about them so many times. Chelsea Girls and Aragon. So Aragon, is that how you pronounce it, is the darker red one. And then Chelsea Girls is this really gorgeous nude color. So this lip color has no shine or shimmer in it. This is Chelsea Girls. It's the most beautiful, wearable, everyday nude for the office. Very, very appropriate. Adds a gorgeous gleam and shine on your lips. Since there's no shimmer in here or sparkles, it just has that most beautiful kind of glossy shiny lip effect. You know, since it's like pretty opaque, it's not like just a regular clear lip gloss. It actually has a little bit of you know, terracotta, nude, tan, apricot tint to it, which I think is beautiful. And then the next one that I have is a little bit more if you want that kind of color on your face, that vibrant pinky red, because obviously it's not going to apply like this color on your lips. This is Aragon. Actually, for this one, I'm pretty sure both of them are the same consistency. I'm pretty sure, yeah, both of them don't have any sort of glimmer or shine to it. I have another one called, I forgot. There's another really, really popular one from this line of lip glosses that I have as well. I literally had to get that from LA. Literally couldn't find it in Toronto when this was popping off a couple of years ago. But that color has the most gorgeous like gold shimmer and shine in it, but these ones are just very kind of just regular gleam, shiny, glossy effect on your lips without being like sparkly, you know what I mean? Which sometimes can appear as not super formal if you do work in you know, a corporate setting. Or yeah, highly recommend these lip colors. Lip products are always on a rotation for me, given that I have so many. Like, I don't want to be just using one, but you know, sometimes I leave it in a bag and I give it some love for a couple of weeks or months and then have to switch it up because yeah, I just have so many lip products and need to give each one some love and really just need to be using all of my products. So that is pretty much everything that I have in my bag. I'm so obsessed with this. This is definitely the one that I've been using on rotation recently. I love the little bag charm as well. Like, if you follow my TikTok or my Instagram, you would see that I have so many different fun bag charms. So definitely go follow me on those platforms to see all of my bag charms on my different bags. I am so obsessed. So thank you all so much for staying until the end. If you guys did, give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. Also, don't forget to subscribe for my channel for more, and also check out my other social media platforms, which are always linked in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching once again. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you guys are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.